Honestly, this place is so much better than what we were expecting.
Yeah.
And we only paid £14 a night.
Yeah.
The family are so amazing. I cannot get over how amazing that was. It's the best thing we've done since we've been away. So we're going to give you a tour of where we're staying. We're going to start with the outside because it looks absolutely incredible. So let's go. So when you first walk into the property, this is what you see.
This is where they do their family praying. They have funeral services here and then they take it to the monkey sanctuary.
So this is where we are staying. It is number 5 and this is the entrance.
Come on in. Welcome.
Now when you get inside, it's so much more modern than you would think, and it doesn't have aircon, but there is a huge ceiling fan. The size of these fish is incredible. Honestly, this place is so much better than what we were expecting.
Yeah.
And we only paid £14 a night.
Yeah.
And with that you get a breakfast in the morning as well. Nice.
The people here are very nice and friendly.
The family are so amazing.
They come round and ask you what you want for breakfast, bring it to you, to your door, and they'll take you to excursions. So, we're going to the monkey forest.
We are off to the monkey forest in Ubud.
So excited.
We can't wait. It's going to be scary to see some proper monkeys just roaming around.
We're reading up about it and it says if they jump on you, slowly walk away, don't run, don't scream, don't have any food or drink on you. They're not liable if anything gets broken.
This is amazing.
I love it. There's so many monkeys. We've got little baby ones.
There's one coming now.
I'll put the phone away.
I just can't believe how like playful they are. That's awesome.
Amazing.
Just come out of the monkey forest. We're just going to look around a little market here. I cannot get over how amazing that was. Like honestly, that's the best thing we've done since we've been away. We have just eaten a really nice meal, to be fair. We had a little drink. That is us done for the day.
We're gonna chill out.